We will now see how we are able to do some calculations in Prediktor EDGE Management Studio by using function items. First, make sure that you are connected to your instance where you would like to do your calculations. In my case, I got this entry called localhost. I have already made a module which contains 10 dummy signals. They have been given the name of raw signal 1 up to 10. These signals are just random numbers which are updated every second, but will work as an example on how to do some further calculations. I will now create a new module by the type of worker, give the module a name and click OK. Right-click the newly created module and choose Add Items and then Function Item. Choose how many different calculations you would like to create and add these into the module. Remember to click OK to apply the changes. When looking at the module, we will now find 5 items of the type Function Item. By clicking one of them, we will find that the item has a property on the right-hand side named Expression. Open the expression window by clicking on the small button to the right. In the item expression editor, we will find a filter to the top right. Here we might create a filter to sort out the items we are looking for. In my case, I only have a few items, so I click on the Browse button. All my items will then be listed in the window below. Now I am able to choose the items, one or more, which I would like to use in my calculation. Click on Add Variables to transfer them to the expression list to the left. Notice that the items will be named as EX1, EX2 and so forth as short names for the item values. These are then the names we will use in the expressions. Now you can write your expression in the window below. As an example, I am typing in EX1 plus EX2 plus EX3. To see if this expression validates, just click on the Validate button. If Prediktor EDGE is able to calculate the expression, this will be visualized with a green border around the expression window. If it does not validate, the border will be red. In that way, you can make sure if your syntax is well written. Press OK when done. The function item will now be updated with the expression you have just made. If the module has been set up with a frequent update rate, the value will also update according to this frequency. You might also use logical expressions in the functions, like the if-else statement. In this example, I am checking a single value to see if it's above or below a certain value. If it validates to true, the return value will be 0, else it will return 1. Let's try this simple expression. If EX1 greater than 600, then return 0, else return 1. I confirm that it validates, and this function item will then return either 0 or 1 as a value. Return to the expression if you need to edit the entered function. Prediktor EDGE also comes with a lot of predefined functions. As an example, I can return the average of all the signals with a good quality. Again, choose all the values you would like to check and simply write all good average, ending with parentheses inside the expression field to make Prediktor EDGE return the average value of all the items with quality set to good. For a list of functions and methods you might use, please refer to the help system found in the help menu. Search for function item and see examples on how to use different methods and functions. If you like, you might also use already calculated expressions inside a new expression, just like I'm doing in this function item 4 example.